Dave from Bruton, Alabama, has a question about vapor barriers.
They're building a dog trot home.
I know what that is.
Do you? I didn't know it was.
I have a 5-year degree in architecture, Charlie.
Thinking you might know.
Okay.
I had to look it up. Here's what it is, folks. It looks like this. It's one of these houses where, how would you describe it? Just has a breezeway through the middle or something?
I've built some out in the hill country for people like that.
Oh, I think this would be, I showed this to Sandy last night.
Did she like it?
It was as big a mistake as showing her that list of 12 beaches in Florida you've ever seen. Oh,
one side is usually your kitchen, laundry,
Exactly.
TV room, and all that. And then the other side will be bedrooms and bathrooms that are more separated from all the noise. And then you have a nice breezeway that causes air. You can get air circulation throughout the entire house.
I'm thinking, why haven't these been done more? This is an awesome house idea.
Because air conditioning.
Well, there's that.
There's that.
Okay.
That's why.
All right, so back to Bruton, Alabama with our buddy Dave. He says we're a few miles north of Pensacola where we're building it, and I think that's like a perfect place for that. Building a pier and beam foundation, and we've laid the blocks so the bottom beams will be about 36 inches above grade.
That's perfect.
So Dave wants to know, should he put down a 6 mil plastic on the ground as a vapor barrier?
In many parts of the country, that's done. Here in the Houston area, we don't do it. Now, this is how I want you to determine whether you need to do that or not. First off, you need a lot of ventilation under your house. If you have enough, you shouldn't have to put the plastic down. And the plastic is usually put down when you have a freeze line and you have to dig deeper than the outside for your foundation, and you're kind of creating a basement that's filled in. Then they'll put plastic down because it's in case a little bit of water gets in there. But chances are, if it's as high or a little bit higher than the outside of the existing grade and water's not going to get under there, don't bother doing it. Just make sure you have a lot of ventilation. And being in that Alabama area, you're going to, and depending where you are and how you're building the home, you're going to be in that one line where you go from probably very little freeze line. If you get a little bit farther north, you'll start to hit a freeze line. But in Alabama, I don't think it's going to be an issue.
Yeah, if he's a few miles north of Pensacola, my buddy Jeff lives there.
Oh, Pensacola? I didn't catch that part.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, you don't need to have, just build your dirt up a little higher than the outside grade. No plastic. A lot of ventilation.
There you go. Looking for help? We can help you. Send us your question, HomeShowRadio.com. Include pictures. We love those. And check our videos over here and subscribe to our channel.